Landscape architecture is the design of our shared outdoor spaces.
It deals with culture, economy, society. It's really a network of systems that's going on at all times as we're moving through spaces. While studying landscape architecture, we look at such a broad range of scales, large ecological systems, right down to the detailed design of certain elements. We do a lot of hand sketches, physical models, we do a lot of photo montages, trying to sell the space that we envision and communicating that across to the client or to the juror or whoever it is that's marking our work.
It's been so great being able to tap into the wealth of knowledge and experience of our lecturers. We've really learnt a lot from their passion and their areas of study.
Landscape architecture is a very collaborative course. I was very fortunate. I was able to work with a lot of different disciplines within the built environment while I was studying and really just see a wide range of how different people approach design, as well as take part in different exhibitions and see some of my peers' work and models displayed within the Red Centre as well as other areas across campus.
As far as the student community, I know I'm going to have those connections for the rest of my career.
As a landscape architect, it's important to remember that we're working in a really political sphere and we have a lot of responsibility to design spaces in the public. So something that I'm really passionate about is engaging First Nations community members, encouraging reconciliation, cultural knowledge sharing, and really just building important relationships between Indigenous and non-Indigenous people.
Ultimately, for me as a landscape architect, I want to create better places for everyone. Places that are respectful of our lands, that foster community.
Go for it. I think that it's such a well-rounded degree that offers so many things to so many different people, and once you find that niche, you're unstoppable.